Homestead chores we hate. Everybody glorifies this lifestyle, so whether you want to or not, there's gonna be a time where you have to clean up poop. Today was minus 12 Celsius. The poo is pretty hard. It's easy to pick up.
Soup with
Open up this
Grumbles.
door so we get some light.
What an awesome meal.
Light. Mucking out the stalls. So whether you want to or not, there's gonna be a time where you have to clean up poop. While you're cleaning your stall, you can actually look at the poop and, for instance, say it was runny or there was diarrhea. You might know there's a problem with your horse and it might need some looking into. All in all, it generally doesn't take too long. Picking up poo can be different for different people. For instance, my stepdaughter uses a fine straw for one of her ponies. And I myself just can't seem to pick through it. It seems to stick. So I don't like that stuff. So I use wood chips. To make it even easier, this is a dirt floor under here, but we have rubber mats on the dirt floor, and then we put bedding on top of that. So it is much easier to scoop a fork along a rubber mat because it's got like tines on it, right? Than it is to, say, do it on a dirt floor where these plastic tines would just dig in and break off and then your fork would be no good. Plus, if the horse pees, sitting it on the mat helps the wood chips or the straw to absorb it, instead of it sinking down into the ground and into the dirt. And years after years after years of that wouldn't be good. You'd have a pea floor, a floor full of pea. So I like to use these wood chips because they're just easier for me to pick through. It's really a preference for that. What you want to use for bedding, what your horse likes. But definitely having rubber mats down saves a lot of time and a lot of effort trying to get everything up because it literally just sits there and soaks up. A lot of people say they notice the smell a lot, but me, myself, pretty used to it, so it doesn't bother me. And of course, in the wintertime when it's like, what was today? Today was minus 12 Celsius. So the poo is pretty hard. It's easy to pick up. I bounce the rake like this just to shake any of the good sawdust out of it. Keep the poop on the fork. So although this is a waste product, it doesn't go to waste. We will wheelbarrow this out to a pile, and there it sits, and I'll churn it with the tractor, mix it all up. Many things. There's people that come and put some on a trailer and put it in their garden, and usually we'll put it in a manure spreader, and we'll take it out to the hayfield, and we'll spread that around. So actually, the horse's waste is a benefit to us. So that way, it doesn't make this job so bad. Sometimes people who don't clean a lot all the time use like a deep bed method where they just keep piling on the bedding, but I would rather have it cleaner. We're almost up here. So I've gotten most of them poo chunks, except for the little ones. And I've got the pee. Sounds like your wheelbarrow needs some grease. We're all kind of here cleaning our stalls because the horses were in last night. It was pretty stormy out. We got a ton of snow. And I was up at 3, out by 4. I'm off from work, but I decided to go do some plowing for him. So I got a bit of that done. How are we for bedding? I should have maybe got a couple things of bedding, when I was there today. Usually Devin doesn't go that much, but she had a little poo party last night by the looks of it. I'm gonna have to dump this wheelbarrow and come back for seconds because it's full. Get a little peek of that. I don't know if I can take this with me or not. Guess we'll find out. Nope. We'll take this poop way out of here. There's not a lot of spots to dump it right now because of our snow. Isn't that snow lovely? Isn't it? I should get the tractor out here and make us a little place to put this. I'm gonna have to push that there later. Never even thought when I was out here doing that earlier I should have pushed the manure pile in. I'm making a mess here. Okay, alrighty. Get this back in spot because I'm not quite done. Alrighty. So we pick up the big pieces as much as we can, and a little straw that's in here. Like I said, now's a good time to look at poop. See if your horse is healthy. It should just be normal poop. It's not runny. The only reason it's hard right now is because it's really cold out here. Hey, we got all the big pieces. You basically want to clean this up because, well, if it's bad weather and your horse has to come in again, you don't want it laying in poop and pee and stuff, right? Just like having new sheets on a bed, right? You sleep better. So there's that part of it, I guess. It's all done here. Now, bedding. I gotta get a knife. This here is just wood shavings. What I use for bedding. Give her a little kick out. I generally only come to about here. I give her a smooth surface of mat to stand on. Just something that's not full of stuff. Scoop up a little more. And then we just basically spread it out. And there you have it. Who wouldn't want to sleep on that? So, as far as that goes, shoveling poop. Mucking the stall is a job that most people don't like doing. But it has to get done. The poop benefits the plants. The horses sleep better. It's good all the way around. Next, we'll discuss water and freezing in the wintertime. Another job that it's not fun to do, but you gotta do it.
Chicken soup with Grumbles. What an awesome meal. Chicken soup with Grumbles.